Hello students, I am Renu and let's start general knowledge questions for class 7. Today's topic is comics. I am sure you are avid readers of comic books. So let's start few questions. The question 1 is tick the correct option or options. So here as you can see it's written option or options, that means a single question may have more than one right answer. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Asterix's best friend who is known for his amazing strength is? Options are A. Getafix, Dogmatix, Obelix or Cacophonix. So the right answer is Obelix. Obelix is known for his amazing strength and this is Asterix's best friend. Question 2. He is a loyal servant who always end up making mistakes. He is. Options are A part Supandi, Kapish, Sabu or Billu. So the correct answer is Supandi. Supandi is a loyal servant and he ends up making mistakes. Question 3. Which of these is not a member of the Avengers? Avengers, have you seen the movie? So there is a movie on Avengers and comics book is also available. So you have to tell which of these is not a member of the Avengers. Options are Iron Man, Loki, Thor, Captain America. So the right answer is Loki. Loki is not a member of Avengers. Question 4. The Indian version of this superhero is also called Pavitra Prabhakar. The Indian version of this superhero is called Pavitra Prabhakar. Options are Superman, Flash, Spider-Man, Wolverine. What do you think? The right answer is Spider-Man. The Indian version of Spider-Man is called as Pavitra Prabhakar. Question 5. Which of these characters were created by Pran? Options are Billu, Srimati Ji, Patlu, Chacha Chaudhary. The right answer, here we don't have one answer, it's more than one answer. Billu, Srimati Ji and Chacha Chaudhary. These three characters were created by Pran. Okay. Question 6. Which of these superhero villain pairs are correct? You have to tell that superhero and villain pairs are being given. So we have to check out the correct answer. First option, Superman and the villain is Lex Luthor. B part, Batman, Joker. C part, Avengers, Loki. And D part, Superman, Doctor Doom. So the correct pair of superhero and villain pairs is Superman, Lex Luthor. This is the answer. Batman, Joker. This is also correct. And Avengers, Loki. Avengers, they are superheroes and Loki is the villain. So these three, A, B and C, all three are correct pair of superhero villain. Moving on to question number 7. Superman was created by, options are Stanley, J. Siegel, C. Schultz, J. Shuster. And the correct answer is D and B. Both these are correct. B, J. Siegel and J. Shuster, both these people created Superman. Now moving on to 8th question. Which superhero is also the owner of Wayne Enterprises? Options are Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hero, Batman. And the correct answer is Batman. Batman is also the owner of Wayne Enterprises. Question 9. Manga are a type of comics from? A option, Korea. Is it from Japan or China or Myanmar? And the right answer is manga is a type of comic from Japan. Question 10. Which of these are not Indian comics? Options are Tinkle, Marvel, Ace Comics, Diamond Comics. And the correct answer is Marvel and Ace Comics. These are not Indian comics. And Tinkle and Diamond Comics are Indian comics, but Marvel and Ace Comics are not Indian comics. Now we have another question which is in the form of fill in the blanks. So question 2 is, how well do you know the animals in the world of comics? So here name of animals are being given and we have to fill in the blanks. Options are Peanuts, Devil, Snort, Iron Man, Hobbs, Charlie Brown, Garfield, Superman, Odie, Ruff, Hot Top. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have only 6 fill in the blanks and options are more than fill in the blanks. That means only few will be filled here and rest of them will be left out. Starting with the first one. Crypto is a dog with superpowers that belongs to Dash. So the answer will be Superman. Superman, he has a dog and the name of that dog is Crypto. B part, the Viking Hagar the Horrible has a dog called Snort. The answer will be Snort here. This option will be filled here, Snort. Students, I will advise you that it may happen that you will be aware of these animals and the characters or the comic books. If you are aware of these, good. If you are not, try to find these on internet if it is possible for you. Then you will be able to have the knowledge about these comic characters in a better way. Question 3, C part. The comic strip Dash has a lazy cat who loves to eat and sleep. And the answer is Garfield. Garfield is the name of cat and it appears in comic strip. D part, the Phantom has a pet wolf named Dash. And the answer is Devil. Devil is the name of wolf and it is a pet of Phantom. I think you must have heard about Phantom. E part, Snoopy the dog. Here Snoopy is the name of dog. Is seen in the popular comic strip Dash. And the answer is Peanuts. Peanuts is a comic strip and there we have a dog and its name is Snoopy. F part, Calvin has a stuffed tiger that comes to life. Its name is Dash. And the answer is Hobbs. This one. Thank you for watching, guys. Try to learn all these and find information regarding these comic characters.